I'm trying to catch a fish.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's PFAM 5. You're in there. We're right here.
You guys might be here with us. If you ever find us, y'all should totally like see us.
That's right.
You should come up to us and get a picture and post it and tag us.
That's right. But we're at Wild Adventures. It is Saturday in May, and we are just having some fun. We'll take you along with us. We'll show you some rides. I guess we're going to show you some turtles first.
Jet, your brother's waving at you. Okay, you're banging. Here we go. There's Daddy. There he is. Did you see him? Over here on the left. And now it's going to go on your right. Here we go. Woo! Oh. Oh, I got dizzy.
That was fun. We're going in the game.
Not yet. We'll come back later.
He's a big boy. That sign's a little old. It's like he's 14 feet. He's more like 16 and a half at this point. Yeah. Our best guess is that he's around 60 years old. Yeah. We don't know his exact age yet.
Let's check out the safari train. Woohoo! Super hot right now, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's probably got to be in the low 90s. We're going to get some shade. We're going to ride the train.
There's that one right there.
Ian, are you ready for the train ride? Whoa! Yeah.
It's hot.
Yes. It's like 100 degrees, right?
I have no idea. I don't. So my watch says it's 86, but I don't believe it.
The real feel is 200, I think. So we're here at Wild Adventures. We got in early from the Gold Pass member early access day, and we got some footage of the roller coaster. It's been a trial and error. We'll see how it turns out, right?
Yeah, I tried.
Tried, so we'll look at it.
We got the new GoPro, so
Yeah.
we'll see what happens.
Yep. So stay tuned. More stuff like that coming on the channel. Family fun stuff. If you like family fun content, subscribe.
These flightless birds love eating insects, and during mating season, it's the male rheas, the dads, who sit on the nest, hatch the eggs, and raise the babies. As we move on, you may notice some humans on your left or right. Everybody wave to the humans. You may also see our Canada goose that has taken such a liking to the flamingo, he often stands on one leg. As we round the corner, look to your right, and you'll meet Bariki and Bakari, our male giraffes. Bariki was born here at Wild Adventures in 2002. He's 16 and a half feet tall, and even though his neck is so long, he has the same number of bones in his neck as you do, 7. Bakari was born in 2017 and joined the Wild Adventures family back in May of 2020. Bakari and Bariki have become best friends and are inseparable throughout most of the day. You can get up close and personal with Bariki and Bakari by visiting the giraffe overlook after we pull back into the station. No two zebras have the same pattern of stripes, and they're more closely related to donkeys than they are to horses. Also on your left are wildebeest. Wildebeest migrate up to 1,000 miles in herds that sometimes reach 1.5 million. The migrations are so large, they can often be seen from outer space. The small brown gazelle on the right with the black stripe is a Thompson's gazelle, or Tommy for short. Tommies are the smallest of all gazelle species found in Africa and can run up to 50 miles per hour. The white and brown antelope with long horns are called scimitar horned oryx. Sadly, this species is completely extinct in the wild due to environmental changes in northern Africa. Oryx may be the inspiration for the myth of the unicorn. When you look at an oryx from the side, it appears to have a single long horn.